Hey everyone, I'm hoopsmiles, and in this video, Abbey right here is going to use this smart hula hoop for the first time. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing apart right here. And now Abbey, go ahead, if you don't mind, put that around your body like so, and put that together. Now here's a question I have, because I currently have all the pieces assembled here. What happens if this is too small? What do we do? Well, I have a technique to solve this problem. I went out and just bought another smart hula hoop right here. And what I wanna do is, I just want to attach some of these pieces. It looked like you may be able to get it really tight around your body, but I mean, was that really that comfortable?
No.
No? Okay, so let's try this out. Let's just try a couple extra pieces here, and let's see how that works. So go ahead and now attach that together. How does that feel?
Much better.
Feels much better. So for the people out there that want to get a smart hula hoop and maybe it's too small, this could be a technique that one can use, is getting two of them and then putting them together. But now let's get to the fun part here. I'm interested. This is her first time. For the people that don't know how to do this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the little centrifugal ball on the end and you're just gonna spin it around your body, and it's similar sort of motions as to just hula hooping. Okay. So you can rock back and forth. You can also stand with your legs about shoulder width apart and then kind of go side to side as well. So okay, go ahead and give it a spin. All right, you're smart hula hooping. How did that feel?
Very weird.
Very weird. It might take a little bit of time to get used to it, but go ahead and give it another spin. Woo!
Yeah, it's very awkward.
Very awkward.
Yeah.
Now I'm interested. What is this like compared to hula hooping?
I like hula hooping better.
You like hula hooping better? Okay. I want to go ahead and take out one of these pieces here, and let's make this slightly smaller. Put that together. Now give that one a spin. Let's see if that is a little better here.
Yeah.
Is it better than, do you think, to have it tighter on your body versus loose?
Yeah, it's so weird.
I think this is Abbey's best time right here.
Yes.
Now maybe your opinion has changed of a smart hula hoop. Okay, so now it's fun. So I'm just curious, if I spun my hula hoop around here, although I feel like my centrifugal ball is really far out in front of me right now, whereas yours is really close. But with these ones here, you can adjust where the centrifugal ball is. You can make it go out further, shorter. Was it better to have the centrifugal ball further away or closer to your body?
When it's longer, it's easier. And when you really just throw it and just over-exaggerate all of your movements.
And then what about for working out with? Do you think this is a good thing to work out with?
Yeah, I feel like I'm breaking a sweat. You're like barely moving and you're just
like... It's very interesting. You said that you had to over-exaggerate your body. I think you can get to a point where you are barely moving to get this going. But here's a question I have about these smart hula hoops. Do you think adding extra pieces was helpful? Or do you think that will compromise sort of the stability of the smart hula hoop? Do you think it's not a good idea? How does it feel to have the extra piece in there?
No, it feels fine.
It feels fine? Yeah. Okay, because that is interesting. If people go out there and they buy a couple of these things and put them together, go down to the comments section and let me know what your experience was.
Not gonna drop the hoop this time.
I guess it doesn't actually fall off. Whoa, but it may. Now it is time for a random smart hula hoop battle.
Oh, one of us is gonna
this
get
actually
hurt.
Looks kind of scary.
One of us is gonna get hurt.
I feel like this is not safe.
It's you.
So please, this is only entertainment. Don't go and
do this at home.
Don't do this at home. No, not a good idea. And if you want to see some more smart hula hoop videos on my channel, go and check it out. I have a bunch of smart hula hoop videos. Thank you so much for watching.